friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. As you can tell, I'm all dressed up today because we are heading back to Chinatown for the annual LA Firecracker Ride. Yes, we're going on a bike ride or a bike race, whichever one to do it, but it's gonna be a fun day, so let's get on going. Hello, say hi to the vlog. Just about finishing the national anthem. We're walking over to the start line now, so we're ready to go.
Sun goes down, but we get back again. Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up breaking in, but everything still works out in the end. No matter what they call it, no matter what they want it, they don't know there's no way they'll ever get it. Wind just blows, but we keep on standing. We'll call it whatever that we want it. Don't you know there's no way they will ever get it. Wind just blows, but we keep on standing, standing. Time has been so hard on us, my friend, but through every night we keep on dancing.
What's up, dude?
Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up sneaking in, but with you it's like the summer never ends. No matter what they call it, no matter what they want it, they don't know there's
Oh. Halfway point.
LA Firecracker Ride. Now for this particular race, we participated in the 20-mile ride. They also have a 40-mile ride as well, but I think I'll stick to the 20-mile. They also have some running races as well, 5K, a 10K, and a paw walker, or power walk. So if you have a lovely fur baby, you could also go on a walk and get a medal. I will put the link in the description if you're curious on future events for the LA Firecracker Ride, which is usually held in February in conjunction to the Lunar New Year. And of course, we can't forget for those who participate, we did get this pretty nice piece of bling, which is pretty neat. I like the little rabbit in the front here. I do believe this is the first in-person race since the pandemic. I've ridden this race before in prior years, so it's great to be back out there and seeing everyone out there today. Even though it's not as big of a crowd as before, I still had a pretty good time just, you know, being around fellow cyclists. And we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining me on today's bike ride. I hope you had a good time, and I hope you get to ride again next year. Do come back next week as I'll have a whole new adventure for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time.